Hey, I hope you're having a beautiful day today. My name is Isa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to share my journey with you. I was born in San Jose, Cabo, Mexico. I'm very lucky to call this paradise my home. I'm Mexican and Canadian, and I'm fluent in both languages. I'm starting to learn French, but yeah, no, I'm not good yet. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Los Cabos right now. You can find me here on Instagram. I also travel, so locations that I go to are Vancouver, LA, New York. I've been a professional makeup artist for about 5 years now. I started really young and I was still in high school when I started to get clients. This is a picture of me when I was 11 years old and I started to get really interested in makeup. Little backstory here. My auntie Kathy gave me a little makeup set for Christmas one year and it was totally random, out of the blue, never had shown interest in it before. After I received this gift from her, I kept playing with makeup every day after school, like since I was really young, you know? So I finished up the purple, the red lipstick, the eyeshadows, all of it. I wouldn't ever go out and wear these vibrant colored lipsticks, but I would just play with them at home. When I was 15, I still remember some of my school teachers hired me to do their Day of the Dead makeup. And so since I was 15, it just kind of like went on from there. I started to get other calls from different hotels, from other event coordinators, and eventually I just built my own business here and I have a team of 6 other stylists. So we attend large bridal parties. It's a combination of hair and makeup artists, and I've made sure that all of them have just like this amazing talent. It's just so inspiring to be able to work with my team and be a part of such a special day for brides and their bridesmaids and their family and the guests, and just like the fun environment of getting ready. I'm now 20 years old and I've never put my makeup brushes down, and I don't plan to. Life gets in the way, but I am set on doing what I love and following my passion, which at the moment is makeup and self-expression in this form. I've learned that finding balance is so important. So now I'm really trying to learn to slow down and live in the moment. Over the years, my techniques and skills have evolved. I'm going to show you a couple examples. Makeup isn't necessarily self-explanatory and easy. I've decided to start sharing my knowledge with you so that you can follow me on this journey, and hopefully I'll teach you some new skills that you didn't know before. You're beautiful without makeup, and that is something that I really want you to feel. The way we look doesn't determine our value as humans and the value of our spirit. I love making everyone feel beautiful inside and out. That's why I love my job so much, because to me, makeup is the art of self-expression, and what better way to love ourselves than to express ourselves. So I hope you stick around so that we can continue to learn from each other. On this channel, I will be showing you how to do a very large variety of different looks, not just glam makeup, not just bridal. I'm gonna get into the more creative side, the fantasy side, sometimes the special effects, which I am still learning, because it is all a learning process. And even if we think that we have gotten to a place where we have mastered our skills, there's always something new to learn. I really hope that you enjoyed this conversation with me so that you can get a better idea of my background, so we can connect on a little bit more of a personal level. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and also follow me here on Instagram. I will be posting on here regularly. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you have a wonderful day today. I hope to see you here soon. Bye.